Good morning students, welcome to you all to 12th standard accountancy. So in this chapter we are going to discuss unit 5 admission of partner. So when proportion of share sacrifice, so new partner share is given. Topic, when proportion of share sacrifice of new partner share is given, how to calculate the sacrificing ratio and the new profit ratio. Okay, so let's see sum number. Illustration 14. Ramesh and Raju are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So sum number 14. Okay, so write the formula first. So new share equal to new share of old partner equal to old share minus share sacrifice. Share sacrifice. So next, share sacrifice equal to new partner share into proportion of share. Proportion of share sacrifice. Share sacrifice. Okay, so let's see the sum. Ramesh and Raju are partners sharing profit and losses and the ratio of 2:1. So old ratio, we have to find old ratio. So partners name Ramesh and Raju. Okay, so 2:1. So ratio, old ratio 2/3, 1/3. Okay, so next we have to find out. So they admit the Rajan into partnership form in the 1/4 of share of profit. Okay, so the old partners Ramesh and Raju, they admit the new partner Ranjan into the partnership 1/4 of share profit. So Ranjan acquired the share from old partners in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, Ranjan acquired the share from the old partners in the ratio of 3:2. So proportion of share sacrifice. Okay, proportion of share sacrifice. So 3:2. So 3/5, 2/5. So old ratio 2/3 and 1/3, and proportion of share sacrifice from old partners 3/5, 2/5. Okay, so now we have to find out share sacrificed. Share sacrificed. Okay, so formula, share sacrifice formula, new partner share into proportion of share sacrifice. So first we have to find out for Ramesh. So share sacrifice for Ramesh. So Ramesh share, new partner share. Okay, new partner share and new partner share into proportion of share sacrifice. So 1/4. Okay, they admit the partner, they admit the Ranjan into the partner with a 1/4 of share profit. Okay, that is a new partner share. Then proportion of share sacrifice 3/5. So 1 3s are 3, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so share sacrifice for Ramesh. So new partner share is 1/4 and the shares proportion of share sacrifice 3/5. So 1 3s are 3, 5 4s are 20. Next we have to find out share sacrifice for Raju. So Raju new partner share is 1/4. Share sacrifice, proportion of share sacrifice 2/5. So 1 2s are 2, 4 5s are 20. So sacrifice of Ramesh and Raju 3/20 and 2/20. So therefore sacrificing ratio equal to 3:2. 3:2. So now we have to find out new share of old partner. Okay, new share of old partner. So new share old partner formula, old share minus share sacrifice. old share minus share sacrifice. So first we have to find out for Ramesh. So Ramesh old share, already we wrote it here, 2/3. So Ramesh share sacrifice 3/20. So we have to take the LCM. So 20 into 3 60. So cross multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். So cross multiply to 20 into 2 40 minus 3 3s are 9, 31/60. Next one for Raju. So Raju old share 1/3 minus share sacrifice 2/20. So again LCM 60. We have to multiply, cross multiply. Okay, so 20 minus 6, 14/60. 14/60. So for Raju, Ranjan. So Ranjan is a new partner. So Ranjan share is 1/4. So in order to equate the denominator, multiply and divide the Ranjan share by 15. We have to equate the denominator. So we have to multiply and divide the Ranjan share by 15. So 15/15. So 1/15s are 15, 15/4s are 60. So therefore the new profit sharing ratio equal to new profit sharing ratio equal to 31:14:15. Okay, so understand. So once again, so old partners is Ramesh and Raju. So new partner is Ranjan. So old ratio 2:1. So 2/3 and 1/3. So proportion of share sacrifice 3:2. So 3/5, 2/5. We have to find out the share sacrifice. So share sacrifice formula, new partner share into proportion of share sacrifice. So 1/4. Okay, for Ramesh 1/4, new partner share into 1/4 into 3/5, 3/20. For Raju 1/4 into 2/5, 2/20. So therefore sacrificing ratio equal to 3:2. Next one we have to find out new share. So new share equal to old share minus share sacrificed. So new profit ratio for Ramesh equal to Ramesh old share 2/3 minus share sacrifice 3/20. So we have to find out the LCM. So 3/20s are 60. So we have to multiply the cross multiplication. So 3/2s are 40, 3/3s are 9. So 40 minus 9, 31/60. For Raju 1/3 minus 2/20, 20 minus 6, 14/60. So for Ranjan 1/4. So we have to equate the denominator. So 1/4 into 15/15, 15/60. So therefore new profit sharing ratio equal to 13:14:5. Next we are going to see sum number 14. Okay, sum exercise number 14. Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. Okay, Karthik and Kannan are equal partners. So old partners Karthik and Kannan. So old partners, equal partners. They are equal partners. So equal partners. So they acquit the Kailash with the 1/4 of share profit. So Kailash actually share from the old partners in the ratio of 7:3. So calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. So we have to find out first old ratio. So old ratio. So equal partners means so 1:1. So 1/2, 1/2. So old ratio 1/2 and 1/2. So next one, proportion of share sacrifice. Proportion of share sacrifice equal to 7:3. So 7/10 is to 3/10. So now we have to find out share sacrifice. So you know that just now we learned share sacrifice formula. New partner share into proportion of share. Proportion of share sacrificed. Okay, so new partner share is already given in the sum 1/4. So proportional share sacrifice 7/10. So total 1 7s are 7, 4 10s are 40. So share sacrifice for Karthik. So next we are going to find out share sacrifice for Kannan. So Kannan new partner share is 1/4 into proportional share sacrifice 3/10. So 1 3s are 3, 4 10s are 40. Okay. So next we have to, so therefore sacrificing ratio equal to 7:3. Sacrificing ratio equal to 7:3. So next we have to find out new profit ratio. So new profit ratio equal to formula old ratio minus share sacrificing ratio or share sacrifice ratio. Okay, so first we have to find out for Karthik. So Karthik old ratio 1/2, share sacrifice 7/40. So LCM 40, 20 minus 7, 30/40. Okay. So next for Kannan old ratio 1/2. So sacrifice ratio 3/40. So LCM 40. So 2 20 times. So 20 minus 3, 17/40. So next for Kailash. So for Kailash, so 7/40 plus 3/40 plus 3/40. So total 10/40. Okay. So therefore new profit ratio equal to 13:17:10. Okay. So understand. So once again, so old partners are equal partners. So old ratio 1:1, 1/2, 1/2. So proportion of share sacrifice 7:3. So 7/10, 3/10. So share sacrifice formula new partner share into proportion of share sacrifice. So share sacrifice for Karthik 1/4 into 7/10, 7/40. Then next one Kannan 1/4 into 3/10, 3/40. And therefore sacrificing ratio equal to 7:3. So next new profit ratio we have to find out. So formula old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So for Karthik, so old ratio 1/2 minus 7/40. So find out the LCM 40. So 2 20s are 20. So 1 20s are 20 minus 7, 13/40. For Kannan 1/2 minus 3/40. 20 minus 3/40, 17/40. So next for Kailash. So Kailash shares 7/40 and 3/40. So we have to add. So 7/40 plus 3/40, 10/40. So therefore new profit ratio equal to 13:17:10. Okay. I hope you all understand these two sums. Thank you.